Hi, Praveen Shana here, Secretary Goa Badminton Association. Very happy to be here for this Badminton League tournament organized by Kedar Bobe and Iftikhar Sheikh. 8 teams participating. Wonderful. You see a lot of good color, vigor, and a lot of energy around the indoor stadium. Hope that the best team wins. Kedar and his organizing team are known to organize very good tournaments. We wish them all the luck. All the best.
Hi, it's an honor to be one of the owners, and it's an amazing experience to play with different teams and with different players. The beauty is that we come as a team, all of us together, and then we collaborate. We bring all our talents together, and then we also discuss what our weaknesses, and we improve our weaknesses and convert them into strengths. I would not say that this is a particular tournament. It's like a picnic for us, a huge enjoyment for all the players to come together and associate with one another and bring out the best. So I wish everybody all the success, and this tournament actually is a success to everybody. So I wish everyone all the best. Thank you.
My name is Kedar Rajendra Bobe. I am organizing with Iftikhar Sheikh this tournament for the second time. Okay, this team event was organized last year on 10 December. We had got a good response to this, so we took initiative and organized. This is the second time we are organizing this tournament, and all had praised us last time that we are organized better than the more tournaments were held here. So we thought that we should give better this time. So we are trying to improvise this time, and we are providing more facility this time to all the teams and the players. Thank you.
How many teams are
There are total 8 teams playing, 4 teams in each group. Out of that, 2 teams will qualify from each group for the semi-finals. And the top 1 team from Group A will play with the top 2 team of Group B, and top team of Group B will play with the second team in the group of the Group A. And this time we are, that time last year we organized on a relay format. So at the end the good players were getting pressure of recovering the more points. So this time there is no relay point, direct straight away 21 points who wins gets the 2 points each. So maximum wins are required in this format to reach to the top of the group.
how many players participate?
Total 112 players are participating, 14 players in each team. In a different category, there are ace category, king category, jack category, and veteran category. Total 40 players in each team, 7 matches per event.